15 Ways to Make Home Feel Cozy When Everything Feels Uncertain. There's just something about the warm glow of a candle to take away all of your stress and worries. This lovely little scene from Oriana Baron_Estates is the perfect inspiration to order a few candles from your favorite small business and add a dose of atmosphere to every room in your house. Look for scents that encourage calm, like lavender and rosemary. While it may seem like a small act, making your bed every day has many benefits and will help you feel productive right when you wake up. Focus on keeping your bedding clean. We recommend washing once a week and set a priority to make the bed, like in this space from the Organizing Blonde. It can be pretty easy to get into a routine of taking your dinner to the couch and Netflixing over every meal. Help create a little more structure to your days by keeping your table prepped for dinner and instituting a set meal time every evening. A minimalist setting like this one from Wontram Zu House can encourage you to utilize that dining table even when you're practicing social distancing. While you may not be able to renovate your bathroom right now, a few simple things can make your space feel like a home. Bring in something live, like the eucalyptus seen in this bathroom from Ruby and Peach Photo. If you usually stack towels in a linen closet, consider pulling out a few of your very best ones and setting them out on a vanity to give your bathroom a hotel-like feel. Not only are books a great distraction during times of uncertainty, but they also make for lovely decor. Spend some time giving your bookshelves a makeover with these DIY ideas. You can go the minimalist route, as seen with this bookcase from Black Lacquer Design, and only show off your favorite books, or create a new system to categorize your favorite reads. If you're working from home more than normal right now, it's important to keep your workspace tidy to promote productivity and reduce stress. This lovely home office from Teresa Lucar is not only color coordinated, it's clutter-free and clean. Consider purchasing a few mood-lifting desk objects, like a plant or a candle, to make your space a little more inviting. Getting tired of your home after spending days inside? Consider moving furniture around to give your home an easy makeover. If you have an open-concept living space like this one from JamieLee_Designs, try switching the direction of your couch or table to give your room a subtle but effective update. Look for easy ways to readjust to keep things feeling fresh and new. Now is the time to finally tackle that DIY project you've put off. Painting a table a bright, fun color or design like this one from Happy Retro Furniture is a great way to occupy yourself and bring a burst of color into your space. Knitting has been proven to help relieve anxiety and manage depression, and if you're looking for an easy new skill to learn, consider learning to knit. Even a beginner can learn to make a beautiful piece like this from Alialue. Clean, clutter-free space is the best way to promote productivity and reduce stress while you spend more time at home. Consider removing extra items and adding a few plants, as seen in this vignette from the Kiwi home. A bath can elevate your mood, improve blood circulation and help you de-stress after a long day. Let this calming scene from Cake_Away_Cancer inspire you to spend some time alone and take a bath. Invest in aromatic bath salts or rose petals to turn your bathroom into a personal spa. A good night's sleep is key to maintaining a strong immune system and reducing stress. Now is the time to splurge on those linen sheets you've been coveting and make your bedroom feel like a hotel. Whether you opt for soft neutrals like in this bed from Diana, Mawabala, or bright patterns to lift your spirits, high-end sheets and pillowcases can improve your sleep and give your bedroom an easy makeover. When is the last time you cleaned your windows? Natural light is a proven antidepressant, so now is the time to ensure you're getting as much of it as you can. Even if you don't have a lovely window seat like this one from Jessica Mendez Design, cleaning your windows in every room in your house, but especially your living and bedrooms, is an easy task that can make your home feel a little brighter. It's important to pick the right lighting for every room in your house. One easy way to add a little comfort to your space is to switch out light bulbs for softer, warmer options. Even swapping standard bulbs for Edison bulbs, like this one from Encontrast, can make your bedroom a calmer place. Consider keeping soft background music on throughout your home to give your space a serene ambiance. Whether you go old school with a classic turntable like Livemont or you set your smart speakers to play classical music, some quiet tunes can help you relieve stress and concentrate if you're working from home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.